Hello and welcome to ISTV English News. Let's take a look at the headlines first. MSF condemns cancellation of medical entrance examination by state government, locks the Medical Directorate office. Now the news in details. Student organisation MSF has condemned the state government for not conducting the MBBS BDS exam for this year. The student organisation says the move of the state government is very discouraging for the students who were told at the very end that the exams will not be conducted. Condemning the decision of the state government, MSF today locked the Medical Directorate office located at Lamphel-Pat. The student body is saying that until the authorities clear up the issue, they will not let the Medical Directorate function. Today at 11:35 in the morning, General Secretary of MSF R.N. Koiring led a team of student volunteers reached the Medical Directorate office and asked the staff to vacate the office premises. General Secretary of MSF R.N. Koiring, speaking to media persons, said the Medical Directorate had conducted all the necessary procedures for conducting the MBBS BDS exam, including issuing of forms, allotting even the examination centers. However, after announcing the date of the examination, the Directorate had cancelled the exam suddenly, citing government order. He further said the decision to cancel the exam, which was taken in the cabinet meet held on June 6th, citing it as following the Supreme Court ruling, is not acceptable and urged the government to spell out the details of the Supreme Court order. He also said it is unfortunate that not a single MLA has brought up the issue in the ongoing assembly session. MSF General Secretary R.N. Koiring will continue to lock the Medical Directorate office until the government clarifies on the issue.
MSF na amasung public iki interest ta amasung loina na aspiring candidate MBBS BDS pamjaba dugumlaba mama passing chhatra singgi interest ta MSF na ngasi Directorate ta hana appeal tawjakhiba matung ina ngasi phoba karimata akoigi justice piraktri maramdi MSF na सरकार की वारी बसी जाजनिंग दे मरमदुना मियामबो नमथाक तौदुना डायरेक्टरेट ना फॉर्म थादुना नोटिफिकेशन थोकदुना परीक्षा की दंबक एग्जाम की शेड्यूल लेखिबा हरिबा खुदिंग मग असि 0 वार्डा कैंसिल तौरकपा MBBS BDS PMT एग्जाम टेस्ट असि MSF ना जाजनिंग दे मरमदुना डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ हेल्थ सर्विस असि की मरुएबा फौ पारिबा डायरेक्टर असि मतिक सादे अखोइगी मेडिकल लाइन असिदा याम निंथीना अमसुंग हिरम असिदा याम निंथीना खंगबा वाली हैना MSF ना लोई याम तुना कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर की डिसीजन अदु अमुक रिवोक तो बिदुना अखोइगी छात्र सिंहबु मरुइना एस्पायरिंग कैंडिडेट MBBS BDS तमनबगी दमक लेरिबा कैंडिडेट सिंह असिबु जस्टिस फंगलु हैना MSF ना अपील तो जबग लोइना ngasiदगी डायरेक्टर ऑफ हेल्थ सर्विस असि मथौ मंगम तौबा लोइना अखोइना थिंजिनजरे.
As part of World Blood Donation Day observation, a mega blood donation camp was held at Reims, organized by Department of Immune Hematology and Blood Transfusion. Donating blood at the camp were volunteers from CRPF, Assam Rifles, Gurkha Rifles, Manipur Police Training Center, Amada, Desam, MSF, medical students of Reims, nursing students and volunteers from Voluntary Helpline Reims. Head of the Department of Immune Hematology and Blood Transfusion, Dr. A. Mainya said, for Reims, the record for maximum blood donation is 351 units, which was recorded in 2011. He said they are expecting to collect 400 units, which will break the record set in 2011. Dr. Mainya said the blood donation camp will be held for 1 month.
Mega voluntary blood donation camp ma equity Department of Immunohematology and Blood Transfusion Regional Institute of Medical Sciences na langjari basi World Blood Donor Day 2013 सिगी सेलिब्रेशन की पार्ट अमोइना तौजबनी. वर्ल्ड ब्लड डोनर डे 2011 से मणिपुर की ओइना SPTC अमदी मणिपुर हेल्थ कंट्रोल सोसाइटी न मरु ओइना सिंजबनी अदुगा मसिगी पार्ट अमोइना अकोइना हाइरिबा था सिगी मनुंगदा ngamiba makai voluntary awareness voluntary blood donation की awareness campaign hengatpa amadi voluntary blood donation camp masing yamna pangthokpasi amani aduga loina na हाइरिबा थाजिग मनुंगदा अखोइगी रीजनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मेडिकल साइंसेस की ब्लड बैंक अमदी जेनिम्स की ब्लड बैंक सिना दरकार लेबा अनाबसिंगदा विदाउट एनी रिप्लेसमेंट अखोइ ngamiमके पिनबो पनजरी मसिंगमसु ngमगने न खनजै.
ICRC member Narendra Ningomba, who has donated blood 26 times, said that donating blood is not harmful to one's health. He said blood is the most valuable element required in saving one's life. He urged the people of the state to come forward and donate blood without any fear. Supporting the demand for implementation of ILP system in Manipur raised by the Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System in Manipur and Students' Wing, sit-in protest continues in Kongba Bazar, Naurem Thongkaithel, Tera Kaithel and Kakhulong by the Maira Paibis. A member of Kabui Mothers Association said ILP should be implemented in the state as soon as possible.
Hengaliba misa ase koi Manipuda thumzen redi aikoi indigenous people missing se matam amadadi so the monkey do yai aduna asi isedana topa miyamna aikoi Manipur ki people ki minatana atopa na thumzen la pase masida koi Manipur ki indigenous people markan do re aduna aikoi na mati pakat po oina nungai zeta bo oina asi ko koi madar isu sana.
Agriculture Minister Abdul Nasir said the media has a big role to play in making the state self-sufficient in food products and imparting knowledge to the farmers on the latest agricultural technology. He was speaking on Friday at a one-day training for farmers held at Yangoi Ningthau Community Hall, Bishnupur. During the training program, agricultural equipments were also distributed along with seeds and insecticides. The function was also attended by Parliamentary Secretary Yas M. Prithviraj, Adhyaksha Bishnupur District Zilla Parishad Kumari T.H. Ithoi B. Devi, Bishnupur District DC Jason A. Shimre among others. Delivering the keynote address, Agriculture Officer of Bishnupur District S. Nimai Chand Singh said the training is held to impart the latest technological knowledge to the farmers so that the state can become self-sufficient in food grains. He also said similar kind of training program will be held in other parts of the district as well. Other speakers said farmers need support of all kind in developing system of agriculture. Agriculture Minister Abdul Nasir said his department will provide all possible help towards the farmers of the state. He also said the media has a big role to play in imparting knowledge to the farmers.
Agriculture officer की मकादे लेने में employees तो नमाज अदुगलोनी सिंह civil society organization मरुआ electronics and print media ना ऐसी मफन पुन्ना मत चल लगा नूंजू नूंसा खाम करना पामगिरी को मतीन सिगी दमचु चुनाई की मैके दिया मुख करना खाकर चलोगे लोग ना media की site में सुमनी कोटा मैसेज समझ भी लगा एक कोई नहे ना वाक culture लेना ना वाक मुसुम department में मुसुम प्रजार के मरद का है ना पकमरी लेना ना वाक पुन्ना मत मतीन पामगी.
A book written by Dr. Bungkhon Haokip called Pu Ting Tong Haokip Laijangpa was today released at Kuki Inn. The book is based on the life of Tin Tong Haokip, a brave fighter who fought against the British in the Kuki Rising of 1917-1919. The book release function was attended by IFCD Minister Ngamthang Haokip and Singhat AC MLA Zingsuang Hao.
Pu Tin Tong Haokip se 1917-1919 da British na Manipur da lakpa matam da mana British ki kano Manipur da magi lamda British mayam laaga aduga France da chatnaba kuli haidare kuli race to basida mahakna masi yaning da bagi against the British da lan se soklam bani Pu Tin Tong mathanda nate puki chief mayam suyaw na lan se British lan se 1917 dagi 1919 pau se soknaram bani.
The first ever Kebab and Tandoori festival organized by Hotel Classic will be held till the 16th of this month. During the festival, 25 varieties of chicken tikka and kebab will be made available. Each day, 4 varieties of chicken tikka and kebab will be available from 6 p.m. Master Chef Amar Singh of Taj Palace, Udaipur, Rajasthan will be teaching chefs how to make 5-star quality chicken kebab, tikka and tandoori.
Tandoori chicken hire ma'am, you know, tandoori chicken kebab, MC makal cam lay, kamani semi, garam taste lay MC ma'am, Kanada, Simaram, Oyaga, Pina, Sigi festival asi tawjabli tandu kawa festival asi tawjabli.
In Assam, a team of medical experts from Guwahati has started their investigation at Mangal Doi Civil Hospital in Darang district after 4 persons have reportedly acquired HIV infection after receiving blood at the hospital. They will submit reports in 3 days. State Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma said that strict action will be taken if anybody from the health department is found to be involved in the infected blood donation case. The health minister further said that the government will also compensate the victim's family on the basis of the inquiry report. Meanwhile, protesting the incident, several organizations and locals demanded strict action from the government. And now let's take a look at the headlines once again. MSF condemns cancellation of medical entrance examination by the state government, locks the Medical Directorate office. Thanks for watching ISTV News and do stay tuned.